Welcome to school too.
Jennifer, that woman, I will show her. We must show her out there.
Let's call that police. Let's call police. We cannot take all that
Tell
money.
you the number is 121.
121. No, it's 112. Let me die.
Oh yeah, that is let's go.
Yeah. Go.
Hello, police. We need you right now. At our this now.
No. Hello, police. Good afternoon, sir. Sir, please, we have a terrorist in our street. So we need you right now. Oh. Okay, you'll be here right now. Please, we need you so urgently. Okay. We must show our Pepe. We must show our Bia.
That woman show her Pepe.
We'll ask for that Pepe to wash it.
We will turn it.
Amadubu Modeba.
Are you the two children that just called police?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I hope you better be serious, or else I will take two of you to the station.
Very, very reasonable.
Let's go.
Why you carry fire for your head? Why you carry fire for your head? Why you carry fire for your head?
Oga, we're going to deal with this woman.
You know me. I can arrest
Oga, we must arrest her. We must deal with her.
anything.
She must respect Nigerian police. We must
Madam.
Yes.
She's
Lisa. She's the one.
arrest her.
What is wrong with you people? Don't you know her? She's a very good Christian. Sorry. You don't have
Shut up your mouth. Stop. She's a Christian.
Please, we are deeply sorry. We are very sorry. You don't have respect for authority. This is a constitutional.
I will take you people to station.
Please, it's not our fault. Please, it's not our fault. We are very sorry. Please, we are very sorry. We are deeply sorry. You are a very nice woman.
Shall be well with you. You want to come and arrest him. Is that your second?
Madam, we are deeply sorry. This woman, these children, this one, I will not have to police work. I'm telling you.
School too.
Inspector Utu.
Yes! Sergeant Okoro.
That is me.
What is it?
That is me.
Roger.
Please, keep watching School 2 comedy. We are very, very sorry for offended. Sorry, please. Keep watching School 2 comedy. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Press that word subscribe. It is free. So grab your copy.
Nah.
School too.